Welcome back to Jake's Garage, and today we're going to be doing the headlights, fog lights and side lights on the BMW F20. These are the bulbs that I've chosen to get. I mean, they are cheap, but my side lights went, so I just thought I'd buy a whole kit. So access the side light and the daytime running bulbs, and also I think that could be high beam or dip beam. Going through the top cover, and in there you'll see that's the daytime running light. The little one there is the side light, and that is one of the headlight bulbs. So simply for this one, you can get it, you just pinch the clip. I think this one's broken, but you pinch the clip and it just pulls out. What you want to do is put that to the side. To get the side light out, I believe you just pull on that piece of plastic there to get it out. You might have to twist it. Yeah, so that one simply just pulls out. And the next one is a headlight bulb, which I believe you have to twist it. Again, I'll try it and I'll show you how I've done it. So yeah, all you do is you twist it clockwise and it will just pop out like that. This bulb is the headlight because it's LED, and I don't think it'll pass an MOT, so I'm going to change them because it doesn't come with LEDs, it's standard. So this bulb, you just pull it out like that. Again, the same with the side lights as well. Oh no, sorry, you have to push it down, twist it and pull out. And for the high beam, it's the same as the other bulbs. You just pull it out, which is quite hard to do one-handed, so I'll do that next. So yeah, that just pulls out. I'll get the other bulbs out the packaging and I'll show you how to install them again, even though it's exactly the same as taking them out. So this is the new bulb. It's got a blue tint to it. I think it just makes them look a lot whiter, so could make them brighter. So these are so easy to install. Well, I say that, I'm probably going to get it wrong. But yeah, you simply just get them like this, get the tab, and then push it into the fitting. That's the headlight bulb done, and then let's move on to the side lights, which go in and you twist. And these are the daytime running light bulbs. You just simply push that in as well. To install them, it's just the same process as taking them out. I'd most likely start with your full beam. That simply just goes in. Get it aligned with the original tabs and twist. It's actually quite difficult to get your hand in there, so what I've done is started it off, slight tap on those tabs, and it made it a lot easier than trying to get your hand in the back of the headlight. Now I'll just get the side light bulb back in, which went into that one, and then we'll put the daytime running light bulb back in. The side light bulb's so easy, just get it and then place it into the side light bulb holder. The side light does literally just pop in, I'll show you afterwards. And this one is exactly the same as the side light bulb. Just get it like that, line the tabs up, push it in. So that's all the bulbs back into the headlight now. You can see them in there now. And then we'll do this one, which you can actually get to through the wheel arch, and that's that cover there. I'll show you that in just a minute. But yeah, we'll put the cap back on and we'll move around to the dip beam. So this is the little access port you have to the dip beam. So this is the cover. It simply just slots into the bottom of the wheel arch and you pull the tabs down. That's the back of the light. So I've taken the cap off now, which you need to turn anti-clockwise, and it's the same as the high beam. Then it's just twisted it anti-clockwise and the bulb will come out. And to replace it, just turn it clockwise with your new bulb, and then the cover goes on clockwise as well. So I'm onto the fog light now, and replacing the fog light, you just want to pull this trim off, which I do, but you need 2 hands to do it, so I'll have to put the camera down and then I'll show you how to get around the back of the fog light and replace that. So that's the trim all off. You just pull it off and it will come off. So this is the back of the fog light, and I'm sure what you do is just twist it, most likely anti-clockwise again, but obviously undo your connection, but that might be easier once you've got the bulb out. So I'll take that out and I'll show you what it looks like. So I've got the bulb out the back now, and all you have to do is twist the bottom up that way, so anti-clockwise, and then you just take the connector off and replace it with the new bulb you have, and then you'll just put it in the same way you took it out, push the cover back on, and that's the driver's side done. So the driver's side cover is now on. I turned the side lights on just a minute ago, and what I had to do in here was take the daytime running light bulb. I had to take it out and swap the bulb round. I had to turn it round because it must have a polarity on it. Now it works, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the difference between the white lights and the yellow lights. It seems to be bright. I think I'm going to have to wait for when it gets a bit darker so I can show you a comparison between the two. But the passenger side's exactly the same as the driver's side, so there's really no difference. So it finally got dark enough where I could film the lights, and yeah, I'd say I don't know how much brighter they are, but they definitely do look better. That's both sides done now, but I did drop the fog light, so I've had to put the old yellow ones back in. I do think they are brighter compared to the old bulbs though. I just checked it out along the wall. It looks brighter than it was before.